Instagram stories are an extremely important algorithm trigger in 2019 and going into 2020. If you want your content to be shown to all of your followers and reach the explore page, do not click off this video. Or the bug behind you. What? There's a bug behind me? Did I make you look back? By the way, welcome to the Dr. Nicky Show. Cue the intro, Oliver. I know I've made Instagram story videos in the past, and if you want to know more about them, make sure you check the videos in the cards above. They're about how to spice up your Instagram stories with nice rainbow text, unfold an app to add multiple images, and also with story options. But this video will go over a lot of in-depth things that you need to know, and I want to tell it to you so you step up your game with the Instagram algorithm, because it's getting pretty crazy out there. That's what the Joker said. Let's start this video with the shoutout rules. If you want to be shouted out in one of the next episodes, make sure you comment down below something that you've loved about this video or something that you've absolutely hated about it, for a chance to be featured in one of the next episodes. And if you want to know if you are the shoutout winner, make sure you stick until the end, because right now I'm trying to shout out as many people as possible. So what Instagram story tricks can you implement? First of all, why is this important? To understand this, we gotta understand how do followers and how does Instagram present content. Instagram doesn't show content in a chronological order. And if you've been with the channel for a while, you probably know that by now. Instagram shows your content and shows content to your followers in batches. For example, they show it if you have 1,000 followers, just an example. They would start and show it to your most loyal 50 followers. If they like it and engage with it, they will show it to the next 100. Then 200, and if the post has a very good engagement rate above 10%, chances are it's shown to most of your followers. So what kind of Instagram story tricks can you implement to raise your engagement? See, on your site you gotta get as much engagement as possible to raise the odds of your content being shown to as many of your followers as possible. But on their end, a way to actually raise the odds of getting your content in front of your followers, the more you engage with your followers, the more they engage with you, the better the odds. And it's not just on your content, it's also in the DMs and in the stories. So how can we use this knowledge to get ahead of the curve? Let me help you out. Instagram story questions. And you're probably wondering, Dr. Nicky, what kind of questions can I ask? Well, what kind of a niche are you in? For example, some of my clients are in the fashion and beauty niche. An example of a question is a quiz. Which dress will I wear? This one, and this one. Use the Unfold app, and I said I have it in the cards above on how to use it. You're in the bottom below, and 3 images on top. Which of these 3 should I use? Then a quiz with the free options, and you have the right option. To everyone who chose the wrong option, what can you do to actually even further boost the engagement? Because if he said the wrong answer or the right answer, he's raising the odds and the priority of your post over other posts. How can you raise it even further? And how can you develop a real good engagement with your following? Well, follow up with a question. Why do you think I was going to choose this one? Or yes, you were very close. I really like this for these occasions. And to everyone that chooses the right one, congratulate them. By this, you start a conversation in the DMs. If you're not there for your followers and you're not social with your followers, you cannot expect them to be interested in your content. Okay, let me show you a live example on my phone on what we can do right now. So I'm opening the camera and I'm just gonna record a story real quick. So if you followed my Instagram in the last few days, you probably know I was sick. Can you guess what actually helped me to fix myself real quick? So we do this, it's not perfect, but it's a start. So we do this, add an Instagram story, add the quiz option, for example. And what did I do? How did I heal myself? Fix myself up. Fix myself up. Lay in bed. That's a wrong answer. Take a lot of medicine. Do nothing about it. And work from bed. This is the right answer. Okay, so this is how I'll do it. Then I post it up, and to everyone that says lay in bed, I'll say, well, you don't know me. If someone says take a lot of medicine, I might say, well, you probably know that my wife's a pharmacist. If someone says do nothing about it and work from bed, you know me well, my friend. And I'll do that and start a lot of conversations in the DMs. And I'm pretty busy, and I know you are as well, but you should probably take an hour of your day or 15 minutes when you drink your coffee or something to do that if you're taking Instagram serious. If you think this video had value, I can tell you that the next video I've prepared for you are even better. So make sure you click the subscribe button and give this video a like, because the next video is gonna be a fun one. We'll actually throw Instagram scammers. If you want to know types of Instagram scammers, make sure you give this video a like. The goal for this video is 20 likes, and if you like the improved quality, and the only reason why I improved the quality was for you guys, so I really hope you appreciate it. So the shoutout winner on this video is actually 3 people, and the first one is Sadoch Aksak. I'm really sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. He has 500 subscribers. Very informative. Thanks for sharing. And I say thanks. Hope it helps you. I saw you're doing your part on Instagram and YouTube. So yeah, definitely check him out. The next one is Complex Apple, and I really like his profile picture. This is why I'm shouting him out. And he has a profile picture of a pear. Damn, this video is great. I really love the video. Really like all your transitions and Homer. Yeah, guys and girls, let me know if you want Homer back on my wallpaper. I wanted to have a Homer wallpaper, like a different one on each video. I downloaded like 12 for 12 videos, but I only used it for like 3. Homer is the boss, but I missed an R. I literally pull up some Simpsons episodes when I need to get creative. Yeah, that's true. When I'm doing content batching and recording 8 videos in 2 days, that's what I do. Third comment shoutout winner is CTWork91, who says Area 51 modeling agency. This is because I tell you guys that if you give this video a like, you save an alien pet from Area 51, because everyone's talking about the Area 51 raid and the aliens, but always think about the alien pet. So when you give a video a like, you get, you know what? An alien pet. This guy got an alien pet. He wants to start an agency. Imagine that, casting for alien pets or Naruto runners. This is also a reference. If you're interested in memes, you know what it is. It was my pleasure entertaining you guys and girls today. See you next one. A video a day keeps the doctor away.